What is Dude doing when it's a rainy day? Yes, he's making diecast videos. And today I'm having a new Hot Wheels Star Wars set. I believe there are two of these sets. This is one of them, and I'm only going to do a review about this set, and that means the Razor Crest, the N1 Starfighter from the Mandalorian, TIE Fighter, and the TIE Interceptor. And we are going to start with the Razor Crest because I took that one already out of the package because I made some pictures with it. Let's put some light on so we have a better view. So here is the package barcode article number. It's a licensed product. That is what we like. StarWars.com. Yeah, here we can see it's the Razor Crest Starship Select Hot Wheels Mattel. And here we can see that it comes with a display stand, and here are the other ones from this set. Okay, I have to open this box because the display stand is right here. But first we're going to have a look at this Razor Quest, and I was pretty surprised. It is good looking, but I was pretty surprised that it is completely made out of metal, except for the guns right here. But for the rest, metal. So it actually looks very nice. Lots of details. No opening parts. Nee. Okay, and here you have a hole to put it on the display stand. Let's do that. So you can see some information. Should be very simple. Made out of plastic, and here is the name Razor Crest. Do it like this. And you put it on. Whoop. And there it is. You can so it's pretty cool looking, I have to say. Okay, let's go to the next one. The Mandalorian N1 Starfighter. Okay, package is the same except for the barcode article number. For the ones who are interested, let's open this up. How are we going to do that? I think we're going to do that right here. Oh, oop. Hey. Okay. Display stand right here. Be careful. How are we going to take this one out? Even, let's see. Okay, I have to be careful because I see that is plastic over there, so. Oh man, I hate these kind of packages. Okay, so here we have the Starfighter. Okay, so this here is plastic. This here is also plastic. This is plastic. But the rest is made out of metal. Okay, then we have the display stands. like this. Here's also the name, N1 Starfighter. Okay, let's go for the TIE Fighter. Also one of my favorites, and it looks very big. Let's see if I can open the package without any damage. Yes. Okay. Oh. There we go. Oh, this one is a lot better. Ooh, it feels metal. Even this here is metal or die-cast. Wow, that feels... You can hear it, right? That surprised me. I thought this is going to be plastic and this in the middle will be metal, but this thing is totally made out of metal. I like that. Looks very good to me. And here we got the hole for the display stand. Let's see. Put this right here. And we same type of display stand. We got the hole right here somewhere. Yep, there it is. There you go. Awesome. Love this TIE Fighter. Looks really good. Let's put it right here. And then the last one, TIE Fighter. I hope this is also going to be metal. Yeah, let's open up the package. No, this one again. Oh, there we go. Barcode article number for the ones who are interested, and I didn't show that with the TIE Fighter, so here it is. To be honest, I'm not a super big Star Wars fan, but I really like the movies, especially the ones, the older ones. Okay, this is also a little bit better. Is it? Yes, it is. No, this one is made out of plastic. Ah, why? Why this one made completely out of metal and this one out of plastic? Yeah, this is plastic, and here in the middle it's metal. But it still looks very good. Nothing wrong with it. Awesome looking. Okay, again. TIE Interceptor. Voila. We have to look the hole. That's right here. And put your thumb under it and then use some force. Okay, that's pretty cool. This is still the heaviest. This is my favorite Razor Quest in combination with the TIE Fighter. TIE Fighter, definitely the surprise of this set because it's totally made out of metal. I have to say it's a really cool looking set. Display stand, meh, I don't know. That's not really my thing. Too much plastic. But yeah, still a pretty good looking set. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this with your diecast friends. Please thumbs up. You really help me with that so I can make more diecast videos. See you later. Bye.